30 days ago, if you asked me what call option was, I probably would have given you a very confused look. I knew about stocks, I understood the ETFs, but options trading, that felt like a completely different world. And honestly, it was intimidating. So I challenged myself to spend the next 30 days learning options trading. Not to become an expert, not to get rich overnight, just to understand how it works. And today, I want to share what changed. Hi everyone, I'm JD and welcome back to JD's trading journey. If you are new here, I am a school teacher documenting my real journey, learning options trading from the ground up. There's no hype, there's no guru claims, just real learning, real lessons, and real growth. So, after spending 30 days studying options, I can honestly say my perspective has completely changed. When I started, I thought options trading was mostly gambling. That's what many beginners think. You hear stories about people making huge profits one day and losing everything the next. So naturally, I assumed options were extremely risky and probably not for someone like me. But the first thing that changed was my understanding. I learned that options themselves are not the problem, it's how people use them. A hammer can build a house or break a window. So options are the same way. They're simply tools. And the second thing that changed was my confidence. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying I'm confident enough to trade every strategy. Far from it. But I'm no longer afraid of the terminology. 30 days ago, words like call option, put option, strike price, premium, and expiration date felt overwhelming. Today, those concepts makes sense, and that's a huge win. Because, sometimes progress isn't measured by dollars. Sometimes progress is simply understanding something that used to confuse you. The third thing that changed was my appreciation for risk management. Before learning options, I spent most of my time thinking about returns. How much could I make? What's the upside? But after studying options, I've started thinking differently. Now I ask, what is the risk? Okay. What happens if I'm wrong? How much am I willing to lose? And honestly, that mindset shift may be one of the most valuable lessons I've learned so far. Another thing that changed was how I view patience. When I first started learning options, I wanted to understand everything immediately. Covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel strategy, credit spreads. iron condors. There was so much information. I felt like I needed to learn it all at once. But after 30 days, I realized that successful learning is not about speed, it's about consistency. One concept at a time, one lesson at a time, one step at a time. And that's exactly how I've approached this journey. Now, let's talk about what surprised me the most. The biggest surprise was discovering that many option strategies are actually more conservative than I expected. Before, I thought all options traders were making wild bets on stock prices. But then I learned about strategies like cash secured puts and covered calls. Strategies that many investors use as part of a disciplined approach that completely changed my perception. And while I still have a lot to learn, I now understand why so many investors choose to include options in their overall investing toolkit. But let's be honest, not everything changed. There are still plenty of things I don't know. There are still strategies that confuse me. There are still concepts I'm trying to understand. And that is okay. Because this journey isn't about becoming an expert in 30 days, it's about making progress. If there's one lesson I would share with anyone who's thinking about learning options trading, it's this: don't let confusion stop you. Every experienced trader started as a beginner. Every expert was once overwhelmed. The difference is they kept learning. And that's exactly what I plan to do. 30 days ago, options trading felt impossible to understand. Today, it feels challenging but achievable. And that's a huge difference. My goal isn't to become rich overnight. My goal is to continue learning, continue improving, and continue growing. And I'm excited to see where this journey leads. So if you're learning options trading too, I'd like to hear from you. How long have you been learning? What's been the biggest challenge for you? So leave a comment below and let's learn together. And if you'd like to follow my journey as a school teacher learning options trading, make sure to subscribe. Because in the next video, I'm going to share one of the most important lessons I've learned so far. And trust me, it's something every beginner needs to hear. So, thank you for watching. And as always, let's continue to learn, trade, and grow together.